defying death.
Denver man hit by lightning while filming storm. Arvada man Chad Greenlees is one lucky person. The Denver dad is counting his lucky stars after a lightning bolt literally struck too close to home. Greenlees was at his house on the 8,400 block of West 78th Circle during a severe storm on Monday when he thought he would go outside to get a closer look. He went into what he thought was the safety of his garage and began filming with his cell phone when BAM! This happened. A lightning bolt struck the ground right next to him. Click on the link in the description to see the actual footage. Greenlees says that he only lived to tell the tale because the bolt didn't actually hit him. Hearing the almighty noise, Greenlees' 13-year-old daughter Ileah rushed into the garage where she found her unconscious dad convulsing on the floor. She called 911, who told her not to touch her dad for fear that he may still be carrying a charge. Greenlees woke up a while later in his hallway surrounded by paramedics. Luckily, he has just a few bruises and a bump on his head to show for his close encounter with Mother Nature. But he added that he has learned his lesson, vowing to watch any future storms from a much safer location.